I moved from 250 followers to above 4,000 followers in 2 weeks of running TikTok adverts, and with less than $15. Beat that. In this video, I'll be showing you that and the secrets that I have discovered running TikTok adverts and using different objectives. Let's jump right in. I moved from 235 followers to above 4,000 followers in 2 weeks of running TikTok adverts, and I'll show you how. First, you go to your TikTok studio. When you get to your studio, you click on promote. After clicking on promote, you are going to see something like choose your goal, more video views, followers, provide visits. For this objective, we will be picking followers because we want more followers. TikTok automatically selects your last content for you. So you click on that content and change it to your preferred content, because the last content isn't my preferred content. Organizing style is the caption I use for my preferred content. So I clicked it. For now, you can only run ads on TikTok for just 7 days, and you can pick your own budget. I prefer to just use that pen thing and put my own budget right here. For your audience, for now, I pick my own audience. I do not allow TikTok to pick for me. So you click on custom audience, and you're going to see different options. You select your preferred gender, female, male, the age range, the interest that you think that your target audience would have, and you save it. Before I run this advert, I put some things in place to make my page ready for advert. In my first video, best TikTok tutorial advert, I explained different what you should pin on your page before you run advert, how to get your page ready for advert. But because I do not want to repeat the same thing right here, I'm going to link that video at the end of this video and also in the comment section. Please, you need to watch that video. It has a lot of information that are not here. To run TikTok advert, you need to buy coin. Click on any of your preferred option and buy a coin. You need to add your card right here. If you have not added your card before, I have added my card before. You can pay with a Visa card or a MasterCard. So I was asked if I require authentication for every of my purchase, and if you are asked this, please pick yes for security purpose. If you pick no, that means payment can be made without you authenticating it. I usually do that with my own fingerprint. We already bought the coin, and I bought 18,000 naira worth, but honestly, TikTok tax is a lot. Can you see the amount left? Even if you load it in dollar, anywhere you are in, they would remove tax. And if you are using an iPhone, it is more worse because you also pay Apple charge. So I highly recommend you use Android if you have an Android phone, or you borrow from your family members. Now I started my advert. I added petrol, I added fire. I'm like, oh yeah, fire on, and the result of what I saw, it blew my mind. I was seeing followers like water. Followers like water, followers like water, followers like water. I'm like, what? I spent 2,000 naira per day, and I ran this advert for I think 6 days, and I'll be showing you the result I got from this one as that. Organizing style gave me 1,936 new followers. I ran another advert with the same process, and it gave me 2,787 followers. I increased my budget a bit. Maybe I was spending 2,005 per day, and that is how I was able to get 4,000 plus followers running the advert in 2 weeks together. Right now, I'm going to show you the performance of those two adverts that helped me get to 4,000 followers. From the analytics of this particular video, it has 11,000 views, 1,481 people liked it, it was shared by one person, we had 4 comments, 40 people saved it, and we had quite a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp. This is another one. It had 21 saves, 13,000 people watched it, 1,007 people liked it, and 4 people shared it with other people. And this gave 2,787 followers. Running TikTok adverts for followers, I realized there are some advantage to it. I have tried provide visits in past time, and this time I tried followers. I put in a lot of effort into making this. Please like this video so that it can reach a wider audience and compensate the effort I put into making this video. Thank you so much. In the next video you are going to see, I share my experience with what I have learned running adverts with provide visits or followers as my goal. It is so in-depth. You must watch it till the end. Running TikTok adverts in the past month, like a month now, I've been running adverts back to back on TikTok. Here are the things that I discovered. Detailed targeting on TikTok is still being tested. According to what we've seen, people thought, and the things I have practically researched, they said that to target people's location, make sure you use that location while you are making your post. Make sure you add location to your hashtag and all that, which I did. But even after doing that, I realized that a lot of people were following from mostly northern parts. I run my business from Lagos. People from the north are not directly my target audience. I'm not trying to be a classist or maybe no. If let's say I sell hijab, they will my target audience. There are some things that if I sell, they would be my target audience, but they are not primarily my target audience, and most of them are the people that are still following me. So I think that TikTok is still testing that location, but do not because of that not run the advert yet. Start running, because with just how much you get a lot of followers, which followers is like a social proof on social media. So do not wait till let them get it. By that time, you will spend more to get less people that would follow you. So it's like a proof. Even when you start running, when you want adverts and people land on your page, they see, oh, you have 5,000 followers, 10,000 followers. They make decisions to buy from you on time, rather than you have just 10 followers. You to look at it. Would you buy from someone that has 10 followers? So, or perhaps maybe they are still working on the targeting. They would give you views and all that, but I think it's not as smooth as Instagram yet, the advert. Also, I figured that different people was actually following me. There was like one babalawo that was following me. I was looking for how to block the man off. I'm like, what are you doing on my page? So I was on TikTok that day and I just clicked on people following me to just check their profile. And I was seeing babalawo. Babalawo means someone that does jazz. And I'm like, hey, on this TikTok, I haven't seen this on Instagram before. Many of babalawos are not on Instagram, but I was shocked. I was shook. So when it comes to picking objective, when I ran the advert with the objective of followers, right? I still got a lot of people check out my profile. As much as people that checked out my profile when I did objective for profile visits. So I feel like profile visits might not directly make sense on TikTok as much as it does on Instagram. Now, I did an advert and my goal was profile visit, and I was getting like 100 profile visits. I did another advert and my goal was following, and I was getting like maybe 85 profile visits and loads of followers. So that means I can kill two birds with one stone. So I was able to kill two birds with one stone, running for followers, and a lot of people still checked my profile. Rather than when I was doing for profile, I got still to following. Honestly, I ran for like a week. I think that was what moved me from maybe 170 to 200 and something, compared to I did just following and I went few people. I went really up, and I still got a lot of people check out my profile. But now I may not want to really do profile views like that. I might do more following. Also, I want to check out other options. I've tried profile views. I've tried following. I'm going to try other options. Come back here and update you guys. Just make sure you encourage me by liking, dropping a comment, copy the link, share with your people. So I'll be encouraged with the views. And as I'm making progress, I'll be sharing with you so that you can implement in your business and get results. Right? But if you're not encouraging me, I will not get the vibe. It's normal, right? So I'll check out other ones, and also know that I am doing this with money. It is not free. I am putting in my money to test so that I can come with feedback. The best thing you can do for me is to watch, share. If everyone engage very well on the video, the algorithm will pick it up. If people are not engaging on the video, you're not going to make the effort towards it. Kindly like this video, as it goes a long way in telling the algorithm that this is a very good video, and push it out to more people like you that need to see this content. Thank you for your help. I really do appreciate that. At the beginning of this video, I spoke about my first video on how to run TikTok advert, a very detailed video where you're going to learn the step-by-step guide, what you should do, what you should not do, how to prepare your page, and other good stuff. Please click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching it, guys. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye, guys.